Welcome to Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a straight line, derivation of equations of motion using calculus method. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. Derivation of equation of motion using calculus method. Now we are deriving the three equations of motion by using calculus method. Let us discuss. Let us suppose an object moves in a straight line with uniform acceleration a. The initial velocity of the object is u. T is equals to 0 and v is its velocity after time interval t. T is equals to 1 second. Okay. Next, velocity time relation. This is the velocity time relation. So acceleration is equals to rate of change in velocity. So that is a is equals to change in velocity by time taken. So a is equals to, we can written as dv by dt, where dv is change in velocity in time dt. Therefore, dv is equals to a dt. So, next one, integrating both sides within the condition, we get integration of u v dv is equals to a of integration of 0 to t dt. So, integration of dv v, applying the limits v minus u, that is equals to integration of dt t and applying the limits a t minus 0. So next this, therefore v minus u is equals to, here integration of dv v, applying the limits v minus u. So v minus u is equals to a into integration of dt t, applying the limits 0 to t. So v minus u is equals to a into t. So therefore v is equals to u plus a t. In vector, from this equation we get v bar is equals to u bar plus a t. From this v is equals to u plus a t. Okay, this is the first equation of motion. V bar is equals to u bar plus a t. Okay, next, distance time relation. This is second one, distance time relation. Let us suppose an object moves in a straight line with a uniform acceleration a. At any instant t, the distance travelled by the object in the time interval dt is ds. Then the instantaneous velocity of the object is given by, here we are taking an object and it is moving in a straight line with uniform acceleration a. Any instant time is t, that the distance travelled by an object in the time interval dt is ds. So distance is ds. Now we are finding the instantaneous velocity of the object. So that is v is equals to ds by dt. So or ds is equals to v into dt. V is equals to u plus at into dt. So this can be written as ds is equals to u dt plus at into dt. Now integrating both sides within the condition, we get integration of 0 to s ds is equals to u integration of 0 to t dt plus a into integration of 0 to t t dt. Now therefore s is integration of ds s, integration of dt t, applying the limits 0 to t, so t, and next integration of t dt, integration of x power n into dx and x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So t dt nothing but t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2. So that is a into t square by 2. The limits is 0 to t. So s is equals to ut plus 1 by 2 a t square. This is the second equation of motion. In vector from this equation can be written as S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Next, velocity displacement relation. So therefore A is equals to dv by dt. This can be written as dv by ds into ds by dt. So dv by ds into ds by dt nothing but v, that is velocity. So since ds by dt is equals to rate of change of displacement, that is equals to v. So therefore A ds is equals to v into dv. So integrating both sides within the conditions, we get A integration of 0 to s ds is equals to integration of u to v dv. So that is therefore as is integration of ds s, integration of v dv v square by 2, applying limits u to v. So 2as is equals to v square minus u square, or it can be written as v square minus u square is equals to 2as. This is known as velocity displacement relation. That is the third equation. It is v square minus u square is equals to 2as, or you can write it as v square is equals to u square plus 2as. In the vector from this equation can be written as v bar dot v bar, that is equals to u bar dot u bar plus 2 into a bar dot s bar. This is the vector formation for this third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Okay, thanks for watching this video.